Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on 3 of the top AI chatbots, ChatGPT, Claude and Bart. I will explain you what these bots are, their key features and differences, when and why you may want to use them, and most importantly, how to get the best results from each platform. This video is especially useful for sales professionals or entrepreneurs, coaches, or anyone really looking to leverage artificial intelligence and to boost their business and productivity. So let's get started. Short introduction about myself. My name is Nicoleta Hayek and I am working in global sales and business development for more than 20 years. And I have been always passionate about learning how we can improve in sales, how we can do sales better, and through the face-to-face meetings with the customers, but also through a lot of trainings, I built up my knowledge and I'm trying to pass that on to you. So let's start and deep dive and see how ChatGPT, Claude, and Bart can help us during the sales processes by being more efficient and bringing us a higher productivity. So first, let's have a quick overview on these 3 AI assistants. ChatGPT is a viral chatbot from OpenAI that can generate human-like conversation and text on virtually any topic. There are 2 versions for ChatGPT. There is the free version 3.5 and there is also the paid version, which is $20 per month. You can use both of this version. Of course, the paid one will give you a little bit more in-depth answer to your questions and to your prompts, but still the free one will give you a very good use. It's a free tool. Claude is an AI assistant created by Anthropic, focused on being helpful, harmless, and honest. Claude is a free tool that you can use. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is that you need to use a VPN because at this moment it's only available in US and in UK. But there are free VPNs that you can download and like that you can use the tool for free. Bart is Anthropic's newest release aimed for business users. While they have some similarities, there are key differences in their capabilities, limitations, and use cases. I'll dive deeper into comparing them throughout this video. Okay, so now let's look at some of the top features and capabilities of ChatGPT, Claude, and Bart. Natural language processing. They can understand conversational prompts and queries. And yes, before you ask me what is a prompt, I will tell you. So a prompt is a short piece of text that provides context and instruction so that AI system like maybe ChatGPT can understand what is that you want him to do. So some key things to know about prompts would be that they can generate very useful answers by giving a specific task or question that you might have. You need to include relevant background information and very clear instructions. The most information that you can provide, the better the answer would be. Prompts should be concise, a few sentences or a short paragraph. Too much text can confuse AI. And please keep in mind, if you are not satisfied with the answer that you receive, add additional information and ask AI tools, chatbot, to answer again and to provide a better answer. You can use prompts to direct the AI to write an email, summarize information. You need to experiment with different prompts to see what works best for you. So here are two simple examples of prompts for AI assistant. So for example, you can say, please write a short email to Mr. X, confirm our meeting on Friday at 2 p.m. and let him know that I have sent him the document over for review ahead of our discussion. Or you can use something like, please provide a brief 2-3 sentences summary from this full article. So the first prompt provides context that an email is needed and specifics like who is it for, the meeting details, and what the document to mention. The second prompt specifies the task, is a summary and indicates the length and the source text to summarize. So these are very short but efficient things that you can do. There are a lot of other things that you can do with this AI assistance. So, for example, like translate a full text into a different language, answer a factual question, suggest topics to write about, and then you give some information of the background and what are you searching for, evaluate a piece of content, and many things like this. Or you can put just the specific questions and waiting for him to give you an answer. Every time AI is answering to your question, as I said before, if you are not satisfied, then just provide him more details and guide him where you want your answer to be and how do you want to look like. Okay, so there are many things that you can do with AI. You can do text generation, as I was saying, for different topics. Then you can do data recall. Here you need to be aware that there are some limitations, which now they have been changed, because in ChatGPT before he had informations only up to 2021. But now he's having, since I think yesterday, access to direct internet. So that means that you will have updated all the information. Then you can do task automation, you can generate emails, social posts, codes, and so much more. Then, of course, as I said before, questions answering. You put some questions and you will get answers from these assistants. Where they different is that Claude and Bart are more focused on being helpful and honest, while ChatGPT aims to provide the most human-like responses, even making things up sometimes. Okay, so when should you use each one? Well, here are some cases from my own experience of working with these three tools. When you need some brainstorming ideas, or you want to create something to write something creative, when you are explaining some concepts and you want to do it in a very easy way, when you want to write CEO content, emails, social posts, then it's better to use ChatGPT. Claude is better to use for research and data recall, for feedback on different content, and for productivity tasks like scheduling and translations. Bart, on the other side, is more on the business line, so market research, generating reports, sales prospecting and outreach, and writing first draft of proposals, letters, and scripts. In summary, leverage ChatGPT for ideation and content creation, Claude for knowledge and task support, and Bart for business applications. Now let's get into the techniques for getting the most value out of each AI assistant. With ChatGPT, ask follow-up questions to go deeper on topics. Request examples when asking how to do something. And then what you can also use, upvote helpful responses in the chat to reinforce it. With Claude, you need to be specific with instructions and multi-step requests. You need to ask Claude to explain its reasoning behind his answer and also provide constructive feedback on incorrect or maybe concerning responses. The best that you give feedback, the best the answers will be in the future. With Bart, you can give business context and goals when asking questions, and you can ask Bart to summarize key insights from very large texts. You can ask for next steps and recommendations, and by being an active user, clarifying, redirecting, and providing feedback, you will get better results over time. So I hope this gave you a better overview on these three AI assistants that you can use. And then you need to realize that they can supercharge your business when used for the right purpose. So what I would suggest, try them out and see how they can help you save time, generate ideas, increase productivity, and so much more. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you would like me to go more in depth or maybe make some real tutorials about how to use each of these AI assistants, please let me know in the comments and I would be more than happy to do that. Take care and see you next time.